Hi, I am Tracy Young, Finance Director at World Car Nissan. I am here to answer some common questions you may have about financing your vehicle. Well, not only do we offer competitive rates, we are the liaison between the credit unions and the banks. Also, one thing that sets us apart is if you need it, we have an in-house special finance program designed to help customers establish or re-establish their credit. And last, if you need assistance with your lender after the purchase, we're always here to assist you. Many times there are extra incentives like additional cash rebates or special rates like 0%, 0.9, or 1.9. Another advantage would be once you have made a certain amount of timely payments, you may have an automatic pre-approval on your next Nissan vehicle. In addition to financing with World Car Nissan, all our new and select pre-owned cars have the World Car lifetime warranty, the lifetime roadside assistance, the 2-year 24,000-mile maintenance program, and the loaner cars for major repairs at no charge to you. Well, I know where I'm going to finance my next new vehicle, World Car, for a lifetime.